Oh yeah. All right. I'm excited for this one. So researchers took human skin and lung cells and treated them with psilocin. That is the active compound in psilocybin, aka magic mushrooms. What they found is that those cells lived more than 50% longer than the untreated cells. They also gave monthly doses of psilocybin to aged mice, the equivalent to 60 to 65-year-old human. After 10 months, 80% of the treated mice were still alive compared to 50% of the control group. And the treated mice visibly looked younger, they had better coat quality, and they had less gray. Now, before you hear that and immediately think, oh, I need to go eat mushrooms, let me explain what's actually happening here, because this matters even if you haven't taken a psychedelic before. So your cells have a biological clock built into them. At the end of every chromosome, you have structures called telomeres. Think of them like little plastic tips at the end of a shoelace. Every time your cells divide, those tips get slightly shorter. When they get short enough, the cells stop dividing and enters what is called senescence, or cellular old age. The cell is still there, but it stops functioning properly and starts sending inflammatory signals to the surrounding tissue. This is one of the primary mechanisms when it comes to aging. So what this study found is that psilocin appears to slow that process down significantly. Treated cells showed preserved telomere length, so longer plastic tips, compared to untreated cells of the same age. They also showed reduced oxidative stress, improved DNA damage repair, and increased expression of something called SIRT1. This is just a longevity gene associated with cellular lifespan and health. And here's honestly the most fascinating part. These anti-aging effects appear to be completely separate from the psychedelic experience itself. So to caveat that, if you've ever taken psychedelic before, you know you can have profound or mystical experiences that promote neuroplasticity, brain-derived neurofactor, neurogenesis, but this seems to be completely unrelated from that. The psilocybin research is very exciting, it's very new, but it opens a door that nobody really expected to find when it comes to cellular health, longevity, and psychedelics. And studies like this, they make you wonder. So what are your guys' thoughts?